Hello, my name is James Morales. I'm the instructor here at Yavapai College, the instructor for HVAC. And my program consists of a 2-semester course in HVAC training where I train students how to get active and become apprentices in the field. The neat thing about it is I have students that are 18 years old and as old as 60 in my classes. We actually set you up to excel in HVAC. There's a lot of ways to enter the HVAC field, and one of the methods is to come in and be on-the-job training, where we train you in the fundamentals of HVAC and then prepare you for a career in HVAC, as opposed to just learning a certain thing for a company as far as a labor, just doing a labor. We train you in different areas, in installation, troubleshooting, circuits and motors, just a higher level of training. So at the program here, our training facilities have many different types of trainers. We have heat pump trainers, we have refrigeration, retail refrigeration trainers, we have walk-in coolers, we have outdoor heat pumps. We also have little tiny homes that we install air conditioning systems on, and we have buildings that we do on-the-job training on how to do installation and maintenance. So our program starts in August and it ends in December. That's our first semester. The second semester starts in January and ends in May. What's special about the HVAC industry is that so many opportunities are available because of the low amount of workers that are available right now. So our program, once you have completed it, will open doors such as working on cruise ships or working in automotive and tractor trailers. You can also be in commercial heavy-duty refrigeration, like chillers, industrial type refrigeration, and then residential installation. All those fields are available. There's such a demand for our students in their current class. 4 to 5 of our students were hired before they even completed the class. I've had several companies come in, local companies come in and just ask for students that they would like to hire. I had the city of Prescott come in and want to talk to our class about opportunities. And so there's so many avenues of opportunities that are out there. So if you're interested in seeing more and learning more about the program, you can go online. You're welcome to come into our lab and do a tour. We have tours in the lab all the time, and so you're welcome to come down, and I would be happy to show you the lab and show you our program.